Connect with like-minded AHK users in our private chat, helping each other out and sparking ideas that make scripting way more fun. Join our Friday and Saturday Zooms for 3 hours of hands-on AHK teaching and support. Get unstuck and level up in real time.
Remember, scan.
Okay, yeah. So he made an amazing tool, but he made it where you really had to work for it to figure out what attribute to go get, right?
Yes. So we created this GUI for that.
Yeah,
right.
we added on to it to say, hey, when you drag a file in here, we'll show you the available attributes. Now, just because you look at one MP4 file, it may have some attributes. The other ones will have different ones, right? So it's not perfect.
Yes.
But, and if I remember correctly, when you click select it or whatever, you can get the code to go get those
Yes.
attributes. Yeah.
Right, because that's what I was looking at. The function itself, you can tell it to give you only that if you want. And when you do that, it just gives you the data access, right? So very cool that the function itself, you can give it one thing, or, and if I remember right, this thing, there's one for a given file, and there's one to get all the attributes for the given file, right? So you can either specify one thing or specify all. They're two different functions, by the way. I would have done it one, like if you don't pass anything here, I give you all. And if you give me one thing, I give you just that one thing. But having them all two different functions works as well, you know? So really cool thing. I think the File Explorer would call the other one, right? No, it's actually doing its own thing. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, okay. Cool.
But in Windows Explorer, you could just add a column of length and then search on the length. Well, there's certain defined lengths, but you can't specify the length.
I haven't seen that.
No, I think Dale's saying you can right click and say add length as a visibility, and then you
Right.
can sort on it, right? So
Right.
you can kind of
then
get to where you want to go.
Man,
Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services.